Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download an image from Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest app. When the app opens, search for the picture you want to download. If you don't find the picture on your home page, then try to remember the profile that was published from. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and then type in that person's profile name. And then go to their profile and then tap on all pins. And here you will see the picture. Now tap on that picture to open it. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. And here you will see the option download image. Now tap on that and that image will be downloaded to your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.